Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to work in millimeters in Blender. This is the default scene in Blender. If we press N, we can find that the location is in meter and the dimension is in meters. If we want to change to millimeters, we can go to Scene Properties and then find Units. We can keep the unit system in matrix and go to length. We can switch from meters to millimeters. So all the value are in meters. Next, if we want to make the working space for millimeters, we can change the unit scale to 0.001. So we can scale the working space and then we can show the script in 0.001. We can go to Viewport overlays and then we can find scale here and 0.001. The grid is also 4 millimeters. So if we delete the default script and add a new object, go to Add, Merge, and add a new clip. This is 2 millimeters. I delete it, and I try to add another object. For example, I add UV sphere. This is also in 2 millimeters. So if you want to use this working space next time, we can set it as default. We can go to File and go to Defaults. We can save start-stop file here. So this is how we can set the working space to millimeters in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.